Hello ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Yurko here with a quick tech tip on how to create windows in your cityscape. So what we're actually going to be using today is something called a linear pattern. In order to do this, I'm going to create windows just like you see right here. I'm going to click on create a new sketch on my building just like we did before. I'm going to put it right on that plane. I'm going to hit the N key to go view normal to, so I can look at it straight on. And then we're going to go ahead and draw one window. You can draw the window anywhere you want, but I prefer to put it in the lower left corner, and you'll see why in a few seconds why it's preferred to do it that way. Make the window about the size you're looking for, and then once I have that window, I'm just going to tap the escape key. You can see right now my mouse is a plus sign. That means I have a tool selected. I'm at the escape key, so I have no tool selected. You see my mouse becomes my big old pointer again, and we're going to go ahead and select that rectangle that we just drew. Now that rectangle is selected, I'm going to go ahead and copy it and repeat it many times. I'm going to use the linear pattern tool to do that, which is right up here on your toolbar. Click linear pattern and you'll see these arrows pop up. And right now, scroll out to see, zoom in. See I have it's all kind of squished together, so I'm going to drag this arrow. If you grab it by the arrow, it just moves in a linear fashion. If you grab it by the square, and you get things at weird angles. So we're going to just go ahead and use it just by grabbing the arrows. I'll grab that arrow, and I'll grab the other arrow and pull forward. Now the default is 2 units by 3 units. So you're going to have to estimate how many you're going to want. Let's see, 2, probably put 5 of these in here, maybe 6. We'll go 6. What happens? 6 a little tight. Should have stuck with 5. But no big deal. Change it to 5. Hit enter. And stretch that out. Make it look even. And then this way, we can definitely put 2 more, so we'll call that 5 the other way. 5 by 5. And then stretch it over till it looks even. Move the mouse nice and slow so things don't jump around. And then you'll see the mouse icon has a green check mark on the left mouse button icon. So that means if I just double click right there, I'm done. I'm going to double click and that finishes the sketch, or it doesn't finish the sketch, but it finishes the tool. I'm done with this sketch. I'm going to finish the sketch. And just like before, we're going to extrude. So I'm going to hit the extrude button. And normally you would go and click the area, but I don't want to have to go click all those different things. I want to make sure I get exactly what I want. So what do I want? I want everything I sketched. So I'm going to click the sketch button over here. And this is going to be a remove. And just a tiny bit, so I'm just going to 0.1. Your mileage may vary, but I'm going 0.1. And hit the tree check. And there's my windows. Now you'll see that the windows up top have a nice blue color to them, and these don't. So what am I going to do? I'm going to come over to the extrude that I created, and I'm going to right click, and I choose add appearance to a feature, and we'll pick a color. So pick that nice light blue, and there you have it. So now there's my windows. You can tweak and modify this as much as you want, but that's the procedure. Have fun, and as always, keep being awesome.